Assalamualaikum, this is our group. As we can see here, this is the hardware for our group. This project is to measure the temperature and humidity. Here we use the DHT11 to measure the temperature and the humidity, and we also use the Uno board and the LCD to display the measurement for temperature and humidity. As for the sensor here, we connect to the pin 7 for detect the data, and to the ground, and to power up the sensor we connect to the 3.3 volt in Arduino. As for the LCD, we connect it to the 5 volt power and A4 and A5 along with the ground. Here the sensor is called DHT11. This sensor is a low-cost digital sensor for sensing temperature and humidity. This sensor can be easily interfaced with any microcontroller such as Arduino, Raspberry and so on, where the sensor is to measure humidity and temperature instantaneously. The DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor is available as a sensor and as a module. The difference between the sensor and module is the build-up resistor and power-on LED. The working principle for this sensor is, this sensor consists of capacitive humidity sensing element and thermistor for sensing temperature. The humidity sensing capacitor has two electrodes with moisture holding substrate as dielectric between them. Change in the capacitance value occurs with the change in humidity level. The IC measure process this change resistance value and change them into digital form. This is for the humidity measurement. As we can see here, the reading for the humidity is slowly increased from 97 to 96, but when I put my wet hand and hold the sensor, the reading for the humidity will slowly increase as it reads the humidity from 96 to 97%, and it will slowly increase as we hold the sensor with wet fingers. As we can see here, the reading for the temperature room is 25 degree. To see either the sensor for temperature is working on it, we will using the fire, using the lighter, and here we will see the reading for temperature will slowly increase. See, the temperature will increase due to the fire we put on the sensor, and if we put away the fire, you will see the temperature will slowly decrease.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Bari. My message number is 200060. So today I'm going to explain a little bit about our coding for this project. So the first thing where we use this function, which is liquid crystal I to C, to set the LCD address to 0 multiple 27 for a 16 characters and 2-line display. And then we define the DHT pin, which is 7, and define the type of DHT, which is we use DHT11. And then we initialize DHT sensor for normal 16 MHz Arduino. Next, we insert the variables, which is integer h for humidity value and integer t for stores to store temperature value. And then we use function of begin to set data rate in bits, which is 9600, and then serial print in for the text, temperature, and humidity sensor test. And then we initialize the LCD using function lcd.init, and we open the backlight for LCD, which is function lcd.backlight. Then we print temperature and humidity values to serial monitor by using the function of serial.print. So the first one for humidity, we type serial.print humidity and serial.print H, and also for temperature, serial.print temperature, and serial.print T. So the last one is serial.print uh, IN equal to Celsius, which is the unit for temperature. Next, we set the cursor to 00 and print from 0 to 9. So the first one is LCD set cursor 00, which is the function for LCD set cursor is move to the LCD cursor to a new position, which is for the first 0 is for row, and the second one is for column. And then LCD set cursor 0 and 1 for temperature. So to print to we use function print to appears the T, capital T for temperature, and C for the Celsius. And as one for the new position, we use LCD set cursor 6 and 1, and we print the text that will appear on the display is our group and our section, which is G1 and S4. And the last one for humidity, we move the new position, which is 11 and 1, and print the display will come out with H as for humidity, and percentage is for the unit for humidity. And then we insert the delay 1000 equal to 1 second for the decreasing or increasing of temperature and humidity. So that's all for the coding. Thank you.